I just finished teaching for a class. I think my belly's starting to drop, but I'm heading over to Target. Come with me because I am a couponer and they have sales on diapers. I didn't only have one box of newborns, so I need to get a couple more newborns. I know they say you don't use it, but I'd rather be ready and I can return them, and Target has a sale. So come with me to Target. Let's see how I can survive, because teaching class is easy. Walking in Target is hard. Y'all, look at this light up skip balls. I brought so many memories. I wanted to buy this so bad. I'm like, girl, you are pregnant. I don't think you need that. But I really, I was contemplating getting that Skip It thing. I love Skip It. I mean, come on. I'm a millennial. I think I might go back and get it, y'all. What do y'all think? Do I need it? I think I do. They had a large clearance section for clothing, 37% off. If you guys don't know, I'm having a boy. The girl section's definitely a lot larger. There are also a lot of winter clothes for babies, and he won't need those as a baby. So I found these two. They were both 9 months. I'll show you a close-up. I thought it was really cute. But girls' clothes, lots of girls' clothes. I forgot to show you what was going on when I was in the aisle for the diapers, because everybody and their mama literally was in there trying to get diapers. I'm moving over people trying to get diapers. So I got the goods. Let's bring it back home and I'll show you what I got. Alright guys, we have a Target haul. They had some really good deals. It is Target deal week, so I want to circle week. So I'm gonna show you what I got for baby and me. So they had spend $100 in diapers and wipes, and you get a $30 gift card. Plus, if you have coupons or anything, which I did in the circles, so the first thing I got is a box of newborn. I only had one box of newborn diapers. I have every other size. So I wanted to get one more, and they only had newborns and Huggies, so I decided to pick it up. This is my first baby, so I don't know what brand I'm gonna like. I do prefer all natural, but I've heard so many great things about Huggies. I feel like it's worth a try. So these were $45.99 for 128. And again, with Target, I'm gonna keep my receipt. If I don't open it, I'm gonna return it. Then I got Millie Moon. Hopefully you guys can see. Size 1. And these are compared to the Honest brand. This is Target's version of the Honest brand from what I hear. Diapers, I don't know which diapers I would like. So I have Huggies, Honest, Millie Moon, I think, are all the diapers that I have. I want to try them all out, see what I like, and then go from there. Again, everything I'm going to keep in the boxes, and then kind of go from there. But let me know down below your favorite diapers and what you suggest, and your favorite wipes too. I have Mom Cozy, all types of water wipes. And then Huggies. Then, see if I can lift it for you guys. I have, let's flip it. The Honest, maybe. Honest wipes. And this got my deal to the $100. And I had a coupon as well. So you can use, as long as it totals to $100, you can still use coupons on it. So I got another box of Honest wipes. So this is kind of what I did to get my card. But you could have used it on Pampers. I haven't heard great things about Pampers, so I didn't get Pampers. Pampers, they had their Target brand. That's it at my store. That's the only brands they got. So these are all the diaper things that I got. All right, let's go into a couple of beauty items. They had 20% off, and so I got the Dove Sensitive. I love the Dove Sensitive. I already had sensitive skin. I had bought a new perfume when I was my first trimester, and I broke out, and I just stayed away from all things since anyway. But I tried the Target brand. It was not good. So they had 20% off, and I got 2 of these large ones, and I had a $2 coupon. Your girl does not play. And then I got this Deep Nourishment Radiant, the Vaseline line Radiant, and it was 20% off of this as well. I love this line. I don't have any stretch marks on my belly, and I've been exfoliating, and then this is one of the main brands that I use, Vaseline. I love it, and it smells so good. This one is like a thick cream. I have the lotion, like the pump, that's a thick cream, and then this one's a thick cream too. It looks so pretty. So yeah, and I love it. Smells very light scented. So like I said, I try not to do too heavy scents. I guess I should explain that. Too heavy scents and light scents. But I haven't worn any perfume. I love perfume. We needed some. Let's see. We needed some Q-tips. Boring. But see if I can get it out. For my hair, so what are you guys, mommies, doing for your hair? So I like to get braids. I don't want to get braids. I do not want my hair to fall out, and I know braids do tension. So I'm going to stick to my wash and go, but I'm using the foam. I use the Dew all the time. I love it. And it works amazing, and my hair dries within 30 minutes. I have, you can see my bun, I have a lot of hair. So I use their gel, but their gel doesn't dry as fast. But I teach fitness classes, so I need gel. So I won't be teaching fitness classes until I can. And so I'm going to do the foam. Again, 20% off. And then, now this was not on my list. They had 30 to 70% off of clothes. This is 9 months. I hope you guys can see this. I thought this was so cute. Perfect for the fall, which he'll be. And this was $9.47, originally $18.95. And then I got another outfit too. Again, not on my list, but I could not help it. I thought it was so cute. And Little Planet by Target, or Carter's. This is so cute. And this was $12.47, originally $24.95. Like, I saw someone, I didn't think I would be such a beige mom, but lately I've been into more beige. I just think the outfits are cute, so I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be a beige mom, and I got it on, but who knows. But yeah, this is all I got. Let me know if you picked up any Target deals and where else I need to go before baby is here. Like, comment, and share, because you know I got you guys. Bye, guys.